guys, I'm going to show you how to replace a Honda. It's the Ford of the day. How to replace the radiator cooling fan. Alright guys, today I'm going to Honda Pilot. So guys, first things first, you unclip these clips right here on top. You take them all out. Once that is done guys, you take this air inlet duct, you just push it to the side just like that. So once that is out of the way guys, the clips are out, you take out this top cover, you put it on the side, and then guys, after that you take a 10mm, you open the sides of the grill. There are two 10mm on the left and on the right. You use the 10mm guys to get that one out. So these are the 10mm balls, they're out. So guys, what you do next guys is you pry the grill, like you're just pushing it outside, and then you move you go down in there guys. There's some clips which are holding in down here. They're 5 in number. You just check it slowly. There's the second one, the third one's right there, the fourth one, and the fifth one guys. Some kind of like a pry like that, what I have out guys. You just keep them, don't let them fall down, you just put them in a secure place. This one is out finally. So guys, you do the for the rest of them, for all of the four which is remaining out, and then it's time for you just to pull it out. It just comes easy, it's not like stuck or anything else holding it. You just pull it slowly, it just comes out. When all of it is out, you just pull like that, it just comes out just like that, easy. There you go, our grill guys is out. So next guys, just take this 10mm which holds this condenser thing. You take out from both sides. There's one on the rear on the right side, and then there's one on the left side. You pull it out like that. You just take the 10mm, and then this one comes out. You take it out like that. And then guys, we take this 10mm holding this bar which holds the condenser from the back. Just once you do that, then you pull it to the back, and then guys, it's gonna give us space guys for the radiator to fall back like that, so that it can lean when we pull it, so we can access the bolts inside, and we can be able guys to take out the connections and everything from here. So guys, we have to take this going to expansion tank or the coolant reservoir, the external one. We just take out this hose, and then we take out the reservoir. We pull it out, put it on the side. There we go. And then next guys, I've seen other people say you remove the battery and all this stuff. You don't need to do this guys to remove this fan. So I'm going to just show you just briefly how to do that. So it's gonna be quick. So guys, we pry it forward. We disconnect this wiring harness which goes to the fan. Just disconnect them from there. We just press like that, and then we pull it out. It comes out like that. We do it guys on both sides, on the left fan and on the right one. So once it is out guys, we can just take this and put it on the side. We take it and put it on the side, so it doesn't interfere with us when we're working on the fans. Alright guys, once that is done guys, we disconnect this hose. So guys, make sure if your car's been running, let it cool down so it doesn't like gush out or just spray you. So guys, I've disconnected it, and then I have to put it on the side, and then I have to put it guys facing up so that we don't lose any coolant. So once that is done guys, this thing is going like to lean way forward and to give us enough space to work on it, because the hose has been holding it back, but now it's gonna be loose. So guys, what we do from here guys is we go down here. We have two 10mm. We just loosen them up. You can decide just to take them completely, or you can just loosen it out. So guys, the 10mm is only on one side of the fan. On the other one, it doesn't have any any balls. Alright guys, there's also these two hoses which have been attached to the fan, so we have to disconnect them before we open the 10mm. So I'm going to show you guys how to disconnect it. You just look for a flat Phillips, and then you just disconnect them. Yeah, you disconnect like that. Guys, you take your time because this might be a tight spot. Alright guys, this is out. So we take this one, we just push it on the side, and then we lock back the lock. And then guys, we open the lower one. There are two, remember. So just put that in mind. So when you're opening, you start with the top one, so it gives you like time to just like push it out. The second one is out, so we lock it back. We lock back the clip, and then once that is done guys, we can now access the 10mm which are down there. So guys, our hose is free from the radiator fan. So guys, there's nothing holding our fan apart from the balls, the regular balls, the two balls down there, and then for the right one we'll have two balls on top. So that's one of the balls guys, is on the left side, and then there's another one on the right. There are two below, and then there are two on top. So you just guys look for a ratchet and the 10mm bolt, something which can fit down there, and then you take your time. You just take your time guys. It might be like tough, you might give yourself some rest in between, and once that's done guys, we can be able to pull out this fan. So these are 10mm guys. You do this for both of them, so there are going to be like two balls down there. So once that is done, you come on top, and then we have these two 10mm. We open them together. Alright, this thing is out, balls are out from here and from here. So you just take it out like that, just pull it like this, and this guy comes out just like that. Here we go, you have your fan just like that. And these two guys are gonna be down here. So guys, you don't need to remove these guys out completely, you just take them out, and this connector here, and take this one, put it on the side. So guys, this thing comes out from there just clean like that. So this one too has to come out. You just take out the balls, and then maybe from down there, and then this thing should be able to come out without a problem. So guys, you don't need to remove the whole, see people removing all the bumper, removing everything, draining coolant, doing a lot of stuff. Only the coolant you do guys is just the ones which comes out from here. The one which is you pull aside, this one only, you just pull this one, you don't even open down there, it's only the top. Now once you do that guys, this thing should be able to come out, and then guys should be good to go. You should be good to replace it. You don't need a loud house, a lot of stuff, just something easy. So guys, once you take out this 10mm here and then 10mm here, this thing should be able to just come loose. Just take it on the side like that, just push it to the side like this guys. These guys should be able to just come out loose. I think something is just holding down there, is a hose. Guys, you have to pay attention. This driver side, there is that connector right there. See the connector with the blue thing? You just need to disconnect that, and then this thing will just come out easy. Disconnect it from there, and it should be able to come out. Alright guys, so you disconnect this thing right here, this connector. So once it's disconnected, this guy should be able to just come out quick. Just come on top, just pull this to the front like this, just pull to the side like this, just take it like this guys, and you can let it just come through here, let it come out just like that. and then the second one, guys, should be able to come out. Yeah, so this is the connector, guys. What you do, just press on the side, just press like this, just press hard, and then this thing should be able to disconnect, and then your fan should be able to come out just like that. So guys, just like that, your fan is out, and then the rest, guys, should do them in reverse, and then you should be able to replace them within no time. It's just easy like that. You don't pour a lot of coolant, only coolant coming out from here, and that should be all, guys. I hope you guys do it successfully and drive safe out there. See you next time.